Homeowners in Orange Park are always looking for smart ways to reduce their energy costs and create a more comfortable living environment. One of the most effective improvements you can make is upgrading to eco-friendly windows. Designed with advanced materials and innovative technology, these windows not only make your home more sustainable but also boost efficiency in ways that directly benefit your household. Why eco-friendly windows matter? Traditional windows often allow energy to escape, leading to drafts, temperature fluctuations, and higher utility bills. In Orange Park's warm and humid climate, that means your air conditioner is forced to work harder to maintain comfort. Eco-friendly windows are built to address this issue, offering insulation and performance features that keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in the brief winter months. By minimizing heat transfer, these windows lower energy consumption, reducing the strain on HVAC systems while providing year-round comfort. Key features that drive efficiency: low-E glass coatings. Eco-friendly windows often come with low emissivity, low-E coatings, which act like a shield against the sun's heat. They reflect infrared and ultraviolet rays, helping keep indoor temperatures stable without blocking natural light. This feature is particularly valuable in Orange Park, where sunny days are abundant. Double or triple pane glass multi-pane windows filled with argon or krypton gas act as a thermal barrier, significantly improving insulation. These layers reduce heat loss in the cooler months and prevent heat gain during the long, hot summers. Durable, sustainable frames. Materials like recycled vinyl, fiberglass, and sustainably harvested wood not only provide durability but also reduce environmental impact. They resist warping, rotting, and moisture damage, ensuring long-term performance in Florida's humid climate. Tight seals and weather-stripping eco-friendly windows are engineered with advanced seals to eliminate drafts. By preventing outside air from leaking in, they further improve your home's energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Benefits for Orange Park homeowners: lower utility bills. Because your HVAC system won't work as hard, you'll notice significant savings on monthly energy costs. Year-round comfort. Whether it's summer humidity or cooler winter nights, eco-friendly windows keep your home's temperature consistent. Environmental responsibility. By cutting energy consumption, you reduce your home's carbon footprint, contributing to a greener community. Improved resale value. Eco-friendly upgrades are a major selling point, appealing to buyers who want efficiency and sustainability. Enhanced indoor air quality. With fewer drafts and reduced dust infiltration, your living spaces feel fresher and healthier. Choosing the right windows for Orange Park. When selecting eco-friendly windows, consider both aesthetics and performance. Popular styles like casement, double-hung, and picture windows can all be designed with energy-efficient features. It's important to work with a professional installer who understands Orange Park's climate and can recommend products that balance beauty with performance. Additionally, Energy Star-rated windows are an excellent benchmark. They're certified to meet strict efficiency standards and can help ensure that you maximize your investment. The long-term value of eco-friendly windows Although eco-friendly windows may cost more upfront than standard ones, the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial expense. Lower monthly energy bills, reduced maintenance, and an increase in property value make them a cost-effective investment. For Orange Park homeowners, they provide peace of mind knowing your home is not only more efficient but also more sustainable for the future. Final thoughts. Eco-friendly windows are more than just a home improvement. They're a lifestyle choice that combines comfort, savings, and sustainability. By upgrading your Orange Park home with these high-performance solutions, you'll enjoy lower utility bills, a more comfortable living space, and the satisfaction of knowing you're contributing to a greener planet.